Hello everyone and welcome to the next lecture of transformation of a matrix. Here we will solve some examples. We have studied linear transformations in the concept of linear transformations in the last video. Now let us solve one example on that. So here given the transformation y is equal to, instead of y sometimes y1, y2, y3 they may give. So y is equal to, matrix is given ready-made 2 1 1 1 1 2 2 1 1 1 1 2 and 1 0 minus 2 into x1 x2 x3. Now the question is, find coordinates x1 x2 x3 in x correspond to 1 2 minus 1 in y. Means I have to find coordinates in x, means I have to find x1 x2 x3, and for that values of y are given 1 2 minus 1. Correct. Now whatever given, first we write this 1 2 minus 1 in matrix notation. 1 2 minus 1, that is column matrix here, and put that value in your given transformation. Y equal to ax. Y is equal to ax, we can write that transformation as ax is equal to y, and we put the value of y here. So start here. A matrix is given 2 1 1 1 1 2 1 0 minus 2, x1 x2 x3 as it is, and put the value of y 1 2 minus 1. Correct. So I get a system here, ax is equal to b. Initially it was transformation, now I get a system, and we know that how to solve this system. How we solve non-homogeneous system? We consider augmented matrix AB and reduce that into canonical form. So consider the matrix AB. Consider augmented matrix AB. 2 1 1 1 1 1 2 2 1 0 minus 2 minus 1. Now I want here 1 instead of 2. So interchange first and second row. So R1 interchange R2. You will get 1 1 1 1 2 2, then 2 1 1 1, then 1 0 minus 2 minus 1. Right. Now R2 minus 2 R1, R3 minus R1, R2 minus 2 R1, R3 minus R1. Do the calculation. 2 minus 2 0, 1 minus 2 it is minus 1, then 1 minus 4 it is minus 3, 1 minus 4 it is minus 3. Correct. Now last one, 1 minus 1 0, 0 minus 1 minus 1, minus 2 minus 2 it is minus 4, minus 1, yes, minus 1 minus 2 it is minus 3. Right. Now if you see the last two rows of this matrix, I get almost same. Right. And in fact, though it was not the same, no problem here. I have to make minus 1 is 0. So here R3 minus is, yes, which is my operation here, R3 minus R2. R3 minus R2. By mistake R1 is there, but it is R2. Make the correction, R3 minus R2. Correct. So here minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus of minus 1, that is minus 1 plus 1 0, then minus 4 plus 3 it is minus 1, then minus 3 plus 3 I get 0. Got it. Now what is the rank of matrix A? Rank of matrix A is 3, therefore rank of AB is also 3. So system has unique solution because it's equal to number of unknowns. System is consistent and it has unique solution. So find that unique solution here. Write down the equations from this. x1 plus x2 plus 2x3 equal to 2. Minus x2 minus x3, 3x3 is equal to minus 3. And I get from this x3 equal to 0. You may write xyz. Z equal to 0 like that, no problem. Here we consider in our problem x1, x2, x3, so we take x1, x2, x3 here. So x3 equal to 0, back substitute, you will get x2 equal to 3, and find value of x1, it is minus 1. So we get yes, minus 1, 3, 0 in x corresponds to 1, 2, minus 1 in y. Correct? So such examples we have to solve. Now the same problem they may ask for check that whether the system is whether the transformation is regular. This question may be asked. For that you have to take determinant, and if determinant is not equal to 0, the given transformation is regular transformations, right? So that additional question may ask. Now we will turn towards the next problem. Our next problem is show that the matrix cos theta 0 sin theta 0 1 0 minus sin theta 0 cos theta is orthogonal and find A inverse. We know that if matrix is orthogonal, then A inverse is equal to A transpose. Correct? Everybody knows how to take transpose of a matrix. Okay, consider A into A transpose. And we have to show that A into A transpose is equal to, yes, identity matrix. Then we can say that matrix A is orthogonal. So do it. Cos theta 0 sin theta 0 1 0 minus sin theta 0 cos theta into, yes, make row as a column and column as a row. This row, write down it as a column. So here cos theta 0 sin theta, we write cos theta 0 sin theta. Instead of column, we write row. Here 0 1 0, no problem, it is 0 1 0. Correct? Now third one, sin theta 0 cos theta, we write here sin theta 0 cos theta. Right? Or you may write minus sin theta 0 cos theta as minus sin theta 0 cos theta. In any way, you just make sure that whatever column here, you have to write row there. Whatever second column, you have to write second row. Third column, you have to write third row. Like that. Okay. Now do the product. Cos theta into cos theta, I get cos square theta. 0 into 0, no problem. Sin theta into sin theta, I get sin square theta. Then middle term. Cos theta into 0, 0. 0 into 1, 0. Then sin theta into 0, 0. So I get middle term is 0. Now last one. Cos theta into minus sin theta, I get minus sin theta cos theta or minus cos theta sin theta. Then 0 into 0. Then sin theta into cos theta, this two. Sin theta into cos theta, it is plus sin theta cos theta. Understood? Now do it for other same. 0 into cos theta, 0 into cos theta plus 1 into 0 plus 0 into sin theta, it is 0. Correct? Next. Do it same. 0 into 0, 1 into 1 and 0 into 0. So it is 1. Next. 0 into sin theta, 1 into 0 and 0 into cos theta. So it is 0. Now last row. Minus sin theta into cos theta, I get minus sin theta cos theta. Correct? Plus 0 into 0, 0 into here this value 0 into 0, right? And last one is cos theta into sin theta, I get cos theta sin theta. Correct? Now do the same way. Minus sin theta into 0, 0. 0 into 1, 0. Cos theta into 0, 0. Then minus sin theta into minus sin theta, I get sin square theta. Correct? 0 into 0, 0. Cos theta into cos theta, I get cos square theta. Right? So now cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So I get 1 0 0. Here this get cancelled. 0 1 0 and 0 0 1, and it is identity matrix. So our matrix A is orthogonal matrix. If matrix A is orthogonal, means A is equal to A inverse is equal to A transpose and is equal to, what is our inverse here? Cos theta 0 minus sin theta, this matrix. 0 1 0, last one sin theta 0 cos theta. Correct? Now we will take one more example. Determine the value of ABC when matrix A is given here, 0, 2b, c, ab minus c and a minus b, c is orthogonal. Now orthogonal is given and we have to find values of a, b, c. Now orthogonal means A into A transpose is equal to identity. So write down the matrix A and its transpose and equate with identity. So what is our matrix A? 0, 2b, c, 0, 2b, c, ab minus c, ab minus c here and a minus b, c. Okay. Now A transpose means make this row as a column. What is our row? 0, 2bc. It become column 0, 2bc. Then A, B minus C. Here A, B minus C column. Then A minus B, C. Here A minus B, C. Right? And is equal to identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Now do the product. 0 into 0, then 2b into 2b it is 4b square, c into c it is c square. Getting the first one? Next, first row, second column, 0, 2b square minus c square. Correct? And in that way, you just do the product, whole products are there, do by your own. Right? Now, how to solve it? That I will tell you. How to find values of A, B, C. For that, what you have to do? Just you have to equate. Here, my first value is 4B square plus C square is equal to 1 here. Correct. Second value, 2B square minus C square. 2B square minus C square is equal to 0 here. Second value is 0. Understood? Now solve this two. C square get cancel. If I add this two, I get 6b square is equal to 1 plus 0 is 1. So I get here b square is equal to 1 by 6. Means b is equal to what? Yes, what is value of b? Plus minus 1 by root 6. Plus minus 1 by root 6. Getting the value of b? b is equal to plus minus 1 by root 6. Have you understood how I find b? Now, I have used the equation to find b. 2b square minus c square equal to 0. This equation I have used. So, from this what I get? 2b square is equal to c square. But what is value of b square? It is 1 by 6. Substitute the value. So, 2 into 1 by 6 is equal to c square. So, what is value of c square for me? 1 by 3. So, c is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 3. Understood? Now, what remain? Only a. To find a, use any equation I take here. A square minus b square minus c square is equal to what is here? 0. So, I get a square is equal to b square plus c square, that is 1 by 6 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 2. If you solve this too, then I get a is equal to, yes, plus minus 1 upon root 2. Understood? So, I get values of a, b, c also. Okay? Thanks for watching.